You see there's 894 with an overall 4.9 stars.
Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I would like to showcase one of my top of the funnel client acquisition accounts on Fiverr.com. So during this video, I'd like you to learn a little bit more about me from my 11 years of experience performing services on every freelance platform imaginable, from providing one-off services on every single marketing forum that there is, also doing one-by-one prospect outreach to acquire new customers. So this video is going to showcase one of my top of the funnel client acquisition accounts, showcasing over 800 positive reviews from over 500 different clients. You see, myself along with a small 3-person team would set up multiple freelance accounts as a top of the funnel acquisition. We would use these accounts to perform lower tier, lower cost services to get people into our ecosystem. Once we performed the lower tier services, whether it was an SEO audit for a very low cost, whether it was a low tier PBN link, whether it was an Instagram management, whatever the case, we use these accounts to acquire new customers to get them into our ecosystem. So this video is going to showcase those 500 different customers, 800 plus reviews from one platform from my small team. So I hope that you enjoy the video. If you have any questions about SEO, digital marketing, or social media marketing, feel free to ask in the comments below, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you.
This down. You know, I started this account on September of 2017. During that time, I worked with roughly 800 different people, because there's 894. I had some recurring clients, okay? At the time of shutting this down, I was a level 1. It fluctuates depending on the amount of sales per month. So let's get through this quick. Here we go, starting it off. As you can see, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. There's Joe. These are all different people so far. Going right down the list. 5-star, 100%, great, recommended. You get exactly what you pay for. Great communication, excellent experience. Another great month of service on IG with hundreds of new real followers. I mean, this list will go on and on. Thank you. Consistent progress. Thank you. Love your job. Just ordered another one. I just want to get this social proof. I just really want to show. Here's a 4. They were able to deliver me close to a target of 1,000 in the past month. This guy was out of the country, so the English may not be as good. 5, 5, 5, 5. This list goes on and on. I mean, there's hundreds and hundreds. Thank you, Chris. Be back again for another month. Okay, great service. Thank you. I'm just going to go down this list. This might be a long video. Let's point out the bad ones too, or not perfectly fine. This was a 4.3. Great job. Not as many new followers as described, but offered to extend a week. I will buy again. And she did. So, I mean, that's that. Again, I always made sure that my clients were happy, of course. Let's keep going down the 4.3. It was okay. They did what they said they would do. So, I mean, majority is 5. Here's a 4.3. Thank you. Keep going down the list. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. You know, probably one a week, and not every single client that I worked with would leave a review. Here's a 4.7. I'm only pointing out some of the non-5s, but as you can see, I mean, majority, 95% are all 5s, as you can see. We're going down the list here. Look at this. Best of the best right here. Here we go. These guys do a great job. There's another one. All right, going down the list. Doubled followers. Amazing work. Great service, thank you. Amazing results, exactly as advertised. He was great. 100% will work again. Great experience. I mean, this is The seller's so sweet and easy to talk to. I will use him again. Always a great experience with Chris and his team. All right, let's get through these. I'm also recording these for myself. I'm going to proposition some of these people. I want to get their names. Oh, here's one. Here's a 3.3, but they gave me a review of very easy to work with. A lot of these times, these people will be doing things so quickly, they'll leave a review, not meaning it. I'll message them and they'll say, oh, hey, how do I change it? But changing a review hurts your statistics, so I never change anything. I just left it. All right, going down the list. All 5s here. Did as advertised. Great communication. So obviously, as you can see, it's always wonderful communication. Happy to work with them. Look at this. Grew 600 followers in 20 days. He gave me a 4.7, but he said, I gained more followers than I expected. I bought it again. Well, where's my 5 at? But anyway, let's keep going. All 5s. This guy, look at, it's the same person. So obviously, I mean, repeat customers speak for themselves. Let's keep going down the list. This guy bought a lot of them. Look at them all. I mean, this is absolutely endless. I thought they would go a lot faster. I'm getting through them here. 5, 5, 5. Consistent 5s. All right. I'm really making this to show my work history. Here we go. And I mean, really, the list goes on and on. Here's a 4.7. I'll point it out. Great, thank you, though. I mean, even if they didn't give me perfect stars across the board, it was still... they were still happy. There may have been one slight thing maybe that, you know, maybe didn't give them the perfect 5. As you can see, I mean, it is absolutely endless. All 5 stars pretty much across the board. So in any case, to wrap up this video, you know, I would not be a proper... It wouldn't be proper of me to show you all good without any of the negative, but as you can see, there's hundreds, literally 800 5-star perfect reviews. So let's go to negative reviews. You see there's 894 with an overall 4.9 stars. So let's just go over some of the negatives, but as you can see, there is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives. And as you can see, you know, maybe it was 5 months ago, 5 months ago, 4 months ago. Usually one a month you'd come across somebody that was just basically unpleasable, or their expectations were simply just too high. So I wanted to show you these along with the positives. I wanted to get all my positives on. My most recent, this account is being shut down. However, if you search CHRS, PLMR, Fiverr, you know, I have all types of pictures all over Google. Yeah, this is social proof. I just wanted to get it, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.